No, you don't.
I do understand.
It's a lot of work. A lot.
We put weeks into this. Thousands of dollars into this.
I do understand. Sir, please stop. Please stop.
Is somebody gonna pay me?
Sir, I'm just asking you to stop. It's not your house to destroy.
This is
It is my
ours.
property. This is my property.
ours.
I have receipts for everything.
Yes, ma'am.
I do understand that you're see,
Fucking go!
Like that. Damn good work. Taking a lot of work for you. Really smashed it up.
so I need to ask you a question because Leanne has told me that you walked in the house and you're telling me that you were invited to.
We
That
just
came
came
in
here
the-
to take back our stuff and she said open something.
That's not taking back your stuff. That's
It is our stuff. This is how we need to take it back because we solidly built the construction. Unfortunately, so it just fall off.
I'm more than happy to deal with the police. More than happy. More than happy. Let's go. Let me tell you something. No contractor in the state of Colorado will fix that when they found out I took it back because you refused to pay me. No one.